Hi, welcome to our technology channel. As per the subscribers' requirement, in this video, I had bought a government-certified courses. The courses are for each and every sector. It can be enrolled by anyone, no age limit, and the platform can be accessible by anywhere and anytime without any issue. So watch the video till end. Don't skip it, because there are some steps to follow while applying to courses. So if you like our video, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's get started. So the government of India initiated the program that is Swayam. It was specially designed to achieve three education policy, that is access, equity and quality. The courses are prepared by the best teacher in the country. More than thousands of faculty and teachers have participated in this program. The current Swayam platform is developed by the Ministry of Human Resource Development and NPTEL with the help of Google and Persistent System Limited. The courses are hosted in 4 quadrants. In that, first is video lecture. The lecture is given by the faculty. Then the second is prepared material for study in the form of PDF and ebooks. The third part is regarding the self-assessment test and quiz. And the last is, if you have any doubts, there is an online discussion forum to solve the doubts. There is 203 partnering institute. 3,140 courses completed. Overall 1,50 lakh students enrolled to courses. 12,20,000 exam registration done, and lastly, 6,54,664 has successfully certified. There are the 9 national coordinators, that is AICTE for self-paced and international courses, NPTEL for engineering, UGC for non-technical post-graduation education, CEC for undergraduate education, NCERT and NIOS for school education, IGNOU for out-of-the-school students, IIMB for management students, and lastly NITTTR for the teacher training program. So now comes our main part, that is how to enroll these courses. There are some important steps you need to follow. Don't skip it, otherwise you can't understand. So now I will show you the procedure for enrolling the course. First of all, go into the Google and search for the Swayam. As you search for it, then you will get to see the first suggestion, Swayam Central. So click on it. Otherwise, you can also directly put swayam.gov.in in the search bar. Then the first step you need to do that makes an account in Swayam. So for that, you will get the option of sign in and register option in the upper right corner. Click on it. After that, you will get the option of sign up now below to the sign in option. Click on that. Then you have to fill details as shown here. Enter your username, password, and verify your email. After filling all these blocks, then click on create. So there we go, we had created our account. Then again you have to come in the login page. Put your credentials and log in. So, we had log in to account. Now you enroll to any course, as per the need. Here you will get all the courses from standard 9th class to until post-graduation. Now you can see courses by course catalog. The courses are available for architecture and planning, engineering and technology, humanities and arts, law, management and commerce, maths and science, and for the school learning students from standard 9th class. Now, for example, I am just selecting engineering and technology. After entering, you will get to see the option of the filter. At the left side, choose as per requirement. Now I just filtering as per my requirement. So let's make national coordinator all, courses duration all, course credits again all. Category is engineer and technology, and last subcategory I selecting computer science and engineering. So there we go to all the upcoming courses you will get to see. The courses for artificial intelligence, programming language, cloud computing and many more. I am selecting the course of cybersecurity. You can see here an introduction to the course, and the course layout is given to get an overview of what you learn in this course. The course duration is for 12 weeks and starts on 1st July 2020. Now just join the course. After clicking, you will get this form. You have to fill it properly and accurately, because when you apply for certification, these details are taken to make your digital certificate. After filling all section, click agree on terms and condition and agree to the honor code. and click on Save. After completing this task, you will receive the mail from Swayam about the enrollment of the course. In that, all the details regarding the course and certification is mentioned. So the last part is how to give an exam and certify. The Swayam held their exams in their centers. And you will be eligible for certification only if the average assignment score is 10 out of 25. Exam score must be 30 out of 75. If this criterion is not met, you will not get the certificate, even if year mark is 40 out of 100. The course you enroll are got for free, but to get the digital certificate you have to pay for exam 1,000 rupees. In digital certificate will have your name, score and photograph. This certificate is applicable if you go to any job interview. It is verified at NPTEL AICTE, so this is Swayam, an online learning platform. If you want to improve skills or want a national coordinator certification. That's it for guys today. If you liked the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.